Time to get fit. Almost there. Earned it.
First, grind the rust down. Now, apply the rust treatment. All right, lowering the old block now. Easy does it. There we go. Solid. All right, first pipe going in. Bolts are tight, almost there. Looks good, new exhaust installed. First, strip the old insulation from the new wires. Twist the strands together for a solid connection. Finally, secure the wires to the outlet terminals. Okay, checking the input voltage now. It's low. Tightening this connection. That should do it. Let's test. First, remove the old bulb. Twist and pull it out. Now, take the new LED bulb and insert it into the housing. Twist to lock it in. First, remove the old taillight assembly. Now, insert the new LED assembly and secure it. Finally, test the lights. First, secure the roof lights with the screws. And that's it, all set. All right, let's get this side step bolted on. That's secure, moving to the next one. Okay, let's add these roof lights. Securing them now. And there we go, lights on. Loosen the bolts with the socket wrench. Pull the old wheel straight off. Align the new wheel on the column. Tighten the bolts securely. Adding the premium amplifier right here. Wiring it in now for clean power. Speakers are set. Upgrade complete. Let's get this dirt out. Much better now. This old truck runs like new. Smooth ride, great power, a real joy to drive. Loosen the bolts with the socket wrench. Pull the old wheel straight off. Align the new wheel on the column. Tighten the bolts securely.